everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is a project, an amazing project that is created by Steph Lyons and Lynn, who is Outward Processing here on YouTube. And I love this project. I'm so excited that it's coming back next year. I'm already making plans for it. I'm excited. This, I believe they said, ends on December 10th. So, got a couple more months here. I'm good with that. And then it will start again, I believe, on January 10th. But the basis of this product is to pick 4 to 6 products that are cream or liquid, basically non-powder makeup products, because they go bad faster, and this is just like a motivation to work on those products that are at risk of, you know, going bad and drying up and not working for you. So I jumped on it when they suggested it. I jumped on it. I had to do it because I have a lot of cream, liquid, gel type products, and I needed like that cattle prod to get me going and to use them, and this project is perfect for that. So I am doing 4 products at a time because I got a few other projects going on, and I don't want to push myself too hard, and I'm kind of glad because this year has been hard enough as it is. So let's get into the actual update. I have an empty. I'm very excited about it. Very excited. This year, like even the tiniest empty, which this one's a pretty tiny empty, it excites me this year because any positive that I can get, any success, I'm happy for it this year. Anything that's going to make me smile, yeah, it's right up my alley. This one I think I predicted. I said that I put this in last update, and I said I was going to finish it. It was an Avon lipstick sample. I actually really enjoyed this color. You can kind of see it around the outside. It was a very pale nude color, but I was able to pair it with a lip liner that I am working on that is crazy dark. Darker than I really like, which is why it's been in my collection for like 100 years. So I was able to pair them together and get a nice, like kind of a slightly darker, kind of cool nude, and I really liked it a whole lot. I actually kind of miss this lipstick. So, you know, what are you going to do? But I'm not rolling in another lipstick. I'm rolling in something else that I want to work on. I do have 3 rollover. One of them's a duo product. I brought this in last time as well. Pardon me. I have like my eyes are just, my allergies are going nuts lately. This is a shadow stick and eyeliner from e.l.f. I believe it's purple and plum. I didn't touch this at all. My last update was about 3 weeks ago. I was off schedule because I had been on hiatus for pretty much the entire summer, and I just wanted to get my update done, and so it's only been about 3 weeks since my last update. I just didn't use it. What you gonna do? I did, however, use this one. My back itches. Everything itches lately. It's just allergy season. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. This is in Piggy Bank. I actually have it in my waterline today. I really like this, but I only use it in my waterline. And at that rate, this thing is never going to get done because these things are like long, very long. I mean, you can see the cap stops right here, started here, and you can see my little progress lines. There's still a ton of product left in there. I'm going to have to start using it like to do my upper lash line. I asked a friend of mine earlier today if she had used it like in the waterline as well as above her lashes. She liked it that way. I just haven't tried it. I'm going to be trying it. If I want to get this thing done, and I do because I've heard that they're prone to drying out, I'm going to have to try it. I'm just going to have to try it. So hopefully between now and the next update, I will have used it in that manner. All right, so those are my 3 rollovers plus my empty. I need to roll in a new product. I'm kind of sad. I'm really sad I don't have any more brow gels left in my collection, but I do have this Revlon Brow Mousse. It does not really have a fixative, not really, but we're going to try and use it because I got nothing else for my little thin, pathetic caterpillars. We're just going to go with it. I actually have used it for the last few days just because I've been waiting to film. I have no idea how much is in here. I have a feeling that there's a ton of product in here, and I don't think weighing it is going to change it enough. I can't talk because it's like 0.07 fluid ounces. So my scale is not that detailed, so I don't think it's going to work. It doesn't weigh that kind of like fine amount. It's just the basic kitchen scale. It's nothing amazing. So I'm just going to work on it. I doubt it is going to be done by the finale on the 10th of December. But if it is, that's cool. If it's not, that's cool too. It may or may not get rolled over to the January intro. I don't really know yet. There are some things that I think I'm going to put into the January intro, but I always like think I'm going to do this, and then I change it, and then I change it again, and then I change it again. Does anybody else do that? Like they have like their projects planned out, and then they just change them like 6 million times? That's me. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes in the next 2 months. 2 months. I swear, ever since my surgery, I cannot speak properly. Not that I ever could, but it's even worse now. I'm just going to work on it. That's my long-winded way of saying I'm going to work on that thing. See what happens. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because clearly I can't talk today. Everyone that has joined in, I think there is a link to the playlist down there. Of course, you got to check them out. It's a great project. It really is. If you are interested in this project, I'm sure you can join in because Steph and Delyn opened it up to everyone, and it's going to be open to everyone again in January when it reboots for round 2. That is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And pardon me, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.